Today at the State House, residents gathered to commemorate World AIDS Day. There were public speakers as well as informational displays and free HIV testing. Folks we spoke with were hopeful for the future while emphasizing there is still work to be done to beat the HIV/AIDS epidemic.
It's 40 years now, and I'm very interested because it's 17 to 24-year-olds being the most affected by STIs as of late, especially HIV. So looking towards the future, we've come so far, especially with the antiretroviral therapy, where people are living U equals U, so undetectable is untransmittable. And I'm hopeful for the future that we continue to get people in care, treated, and living long, healthy lives.
I'm hoping that people realize that this is something that is still an issue, even though it's been going on for over 40 years, and just calling to action to keep the momentum going for all the progress that we've made and hopefully to reduce the epidemic even further.
Organizers tell News 19 that in recent years, people have become more open to discussing their HIV status.
So how is the AIDS epidemic impacting South Carolina? Let's take a look at the latest numbers from DHEC. As of the beginning of 2020, there were more than 20,000 South Carolinian residents diagnosed with HIV, including AIDS. Now, the year before that, more than 1,500 residents were diagnosed with HIV and AIDS. About 40% of those new infections were, as you just heard, young adults between the ages of 20 and 29. Health officials say that one key to ending the HIV epidemic is making sure that people living with the virus get the medical care that they so desperately need to stay healthy. And DHEC estimates that nearly 4,500 South Carolinians who are living with HIV are actually not getting the medical treatment that they need. The agency has produced a map showing the number of people not in care. As of April of this year, they say 786 people living with AIDS in Richland County are not getting medical care. DHEC has launched a Data to Care program to link these individuals with their services. Nearly 40 million people around the globe live with HIV, and just last year, 680,000 people died from AIDS-related illnesses, according to the United Nations. Now, throughout the United States, more than 1 million residents are living with HIV or AIDS. Nearly 1/5 do not know they have it. But there's been great progress in the fight against AIDS. The antiretroviral therapies have allowed patients to live long and healthy lives. These are normally taken through a daily cocktail of drugs, but scientists hope to reduce that to just 6 injections a year.
The benefit is offering choice. Treatment for HIV in itself has been one of the big successes of modern medicine. Taking this to the next level and reducing the treatment days from 365 to 6 treatment days a year is a real paradigm shift and a new breakthrough.
Wow, that would be amazing. And President Biden has announced a goal to end the AIDS epidemic worldwide by 2030. In observance of World AIDS Day, DHEC is offering free testing tomorrow at local health departments at no cost. You can get tested for HIV, sexually transmitted diseases, hepatitis C. You can get more information by calling this hotline. It is 1-800-322-AIDS, 1-800-322-2437.